Looking for the perfect romantic getaway? One that offers a unique blend of luxury, charm, and memorable experiences? Let's whisk away into the story of Anna and Mark, a couple who discovered their ideal hideaway at Hotel Princess Acapulco. As guests of this enchanting retreat, they were granted exclusive access to the facilities of other hotels within the illustrious Mundo Imperial chain, right here in the heart of Acapulco. Their culinary journey was nothing short of spectacular, with local and international flavors served up in the hotel's beautifully adorned restaurants. And then there was the pool, a marvel of design, adorned with stunning stones that shimmered beneath the sun and crowned by a grand bridge that stretched across its expanse. For Anna and Mark, the Hotel Princess Acapulco was not just a hotel, it was a haven of unforgettable experiences. This was their perfect getaway, and it could be yours too. But what makes a romantic getaway truly special? Is it not the activities and attractions that you can enjoy together? Let's take a peek into Anna and Mark's stay at Hotel Princess Acapulco. Their days were filled with leisurely strolls along the sun-kissed beach, hand in hand, leaving footprints in the sand as the waves gently lapped at their feet. Evenings were graced by candle-lit dinners at the hotel's exquisite restaurants, where they savored delectable cuisines against a backdrop of stunning Acapulco sunsets. Afternoons found them lounging by the uniquely designed pool, its surrounding stones adding a touch of rustic charm to their fun-filled poolside moments. Beyond the hotel, Acapulco offered them a world of attractions to explore, each new experience serving to deepen their bond and enrich their shared memories. At Hotel Princess Acapulco, every moment is an opportunity to create beautiful memories. So, come and craft your own unforgettable story of romance and adventure. So, why choose Hotel Princess Acapulco for your romantic getaway? Well, let's start with the unique features that make this hotel stand out. Picture dining in beautiful restaurants, each offering a distinct ambiance and a variety of delectable dishes. Imagine lounging by the uniquely designed pool, surrounded by natural stones that give it a one-of-a-kind charm. And don't forget the large bridge over the pool, an architectural marvel that adds a touch of grandeur to your stay. What's more, as a guest at Hotel Princess Acapulco, you also gain access to the other hotels in the Mundo Imperial chain in Acapulco. This expands the range of activities and experiences available to you. And if you're a beach lover, this hotel's beachfront location is just the icing on the cake. When it comes to creating unforgettable romantic getaways, Hotel Princess Acapulco sets the benchmark. It's not just a hotel, it's an experience.